See that? That's funny. Hey guys, how you doing? Back in the kitchen again. Got an assistant. Everybody loved it when I was the assistant. Let's see if people like it when she's the assistant. Do you know what we're making today?
Yes, I do.
Do you like it?
Amazing. Love it.
Who can make this recipe?
Me. Yes, I can. Thank you.
Who can make it? Does it?
Anyone.
Anybody.
I see where you're going with this. Yeah.
Basically, as long as you can kind of cut a straight line,
You don't even
you're
need to
good,
do that.
right?
You don't even need to do that. You could do a chop, and it would really be the same thing.
there you go.
It just wouldn't look as pretty.
Yeah.
Okay.
You wouldn't have a presentation. You would have what it is. And at that point, I'll tell you, it's Caprese Salad. So, we're going to get you over here to the cutting board, and we're going to look at some of the wonderful ingredients we got for you today. Alright, number one, we have mozzarella. Gotta love it. Nice fresh stuff. If you know how to make it, the day before and then use it. We have tomatoes.
What kind of tomatoes are those?
I believe they're beefsteak tomatoes. Good old fresh Jersey tomatoes. It's not aroma or anything like that. It's just the real big ones that you can get.
I also like the heirloom tomatoes to use with this. Just the big old fat sweet tomatoes are great.
Yes, I agree. And then we have basil and balsamic. So, we also need salt and pepper. We'll put that on at the end. We have our salt. I should probably bring that out. And let me get my pepper out. And we have our pepper. So, we're going to get started. How do you like to start?
Cutting the tomatoes or the cheese, either one.
Okay, so it doesn't matter to
It does
you.
not matter.
Alright, we have our tags off, ready to go. So, I'm going to move my salt and pepper out of the way, put that over there. And now we're going to, probably about a 1/4 inch thick. Actually, do you have the apple core? Could you grab that for me, please? Stand up. Yep, this one. I like to use this whenever I'm doing tomato type stuff because I want to get out the beginning of the core, not the whole core, just the top. I'll go down about 1 inch, take that out. Alright, I'll hand that to my assistant. So now when we cut the slices, that'll come out. Makes it a little bit easier on me. So now we'll start with 1, 2, 3.
Fun fact on tomatoes. If you pick them prematurely, meaning they're green, they're not all red, or maybe they're half green, half red, if you put them in a paper bag on your windowsill, they will turn red and sweeten up.
So, well, that works.
Yeah.
And there you go. You can see that came out. I'll take out the next one because it's pretty hard and really woody. Set that off to the side. So now we have our stacked tomato over there. Let's get to the next one. And now we get into our fresh mozzarella. I can't say it's special like everybody else does.
Let's throw it out.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Okay. You know that's an easy oven, right?
Not for me, it's not.
Alright.
There we go. Take that out. Set that off to the side. Now we're going to make these slices about as thick as what we had our tomato. butter knife off to the side. Now it's time for stacking. You ready?
Are you? My turn.
All right.
Assistant making it pretty.
So now, as we said in the beginning, you can do this by just dicing all these ingredients up and putting them into a bowl or a plate. You know, like chunk everything. You could do it that way.
There you go.
Hey, where did you go? Oh, she ate it.
I shared.
Alright, so the next thing that we have is basil. And we'll use a whole pack of basil. You could get away with a whole bunch, literally a whole bunch, or a bunch of basil. So here we go, we take that off. And I'm going to stack the leaves and I'm going to roll them up.
Another fun fact, basil, if you want more flavor to release out of the leaves, you could scrunch them up in your hand or you can roll them. So when he rolls up those leaves to cut them, you just roll them like that on the cutting board. And it kind of damages the leaves, if you will, but that's what is releasing the flavor.
It's not going to work. I have stuff on there.
Okay. Get that next time.
So, see, now you made me try and roll it, and I didn't do it. So now we're just going to do little thin strips. And then we're going to put them on top. Get that out of the way. And we'll take our little strings. Hey, they're all stuck to me. And spread them out. And now we get a little bit of salt and pepper. How much pepper do you like on yours?
I don't know. Just season it.
I think pepper goes really well with tomatoes.
I like salt better.
And do you want to do the honors?
It's up to you.
You can do it.
Alright. Apparently the cap just did whatever it wanted to do. Go right over the top, right over the mozzarella. There you go.
And there it is. You let that rest for a little bit, and all that gets sucked up into the tomatoes and the mozzarella, and then you eat it.
Yeah.
How long would you say? Maybe let it rest for about 5-10 minutes?
Yeah.
Not long.
No.
Have it as an appetizer before dinner, or have it as a like a little brunch thing to put out, like little pickies. You can make this individually with just one tomato, one piece of mozzarella for if you have guests. So
Yeah, you can put them on toothpicks.
yeah, you can dice them up into little cubes and like
Use
little
those little cherry tomatoes.
yeah, like little picky hors d'oeuvres. And there you go. All right, guys. So let me know what you think. Don't forget.
Oh, sorry.
Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And
Keep on eating. Oh, I mean, what do you say?
see you next time. Get in the kitchen. Keep cooking, guys. Have a nice day.